Hey guys, my name is Radosh and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making French onion soup. You're gonna love this recipe. It's really easy, so decadent, and it's a real comfort food. Before we get started, subscribe to my channel and leave this video a thumbs up. And now let's start chopping some onions. Before anything else, we're going to chop 2 kg of white or brown onions. I know that it sounds like a lot, but during the cooking process, it basically shrinks to next to nothing. Chop them sideways like this so that we get even stripes of onion in the soup. In a large pot, melt 50 grams of butter and add some olive oil. We have to add oil to the butter to prevent this from burning. Place the onions inside and season generously with salt. This will help drive out the excess moisture out of the onions. Break the larger chunks with a spatula and mix every few minutes to prevent it from sticking. Now while that's cooking, we will prepare our croutons. For this recipe, traditionally you should be using baguette bread, but I had some great sourdough on hand, so I used that. Brush it with some olive oil and toast it for about 10 minutes in the oven. Continue stirring the onions until they get that deep brown color. Now you can add 20 milliliters of balsamic vinegar. It will help to deglaze the pot and bring all the flavors together. Allow the vinegar to evaporate for about a minute, and then you can add 1.2 liters of beef stock. Leave it to reduce for about 20 minutes and then transfer it to a casserole dish. Layer it with bread and grate a generous amount of Gouda cheese on top. If you prefer a sharper taste, you can add a bit of Gruyere cheese as well. Put it under a broiler to melt the cheese in the oven for about 10 minutes. After you take it out of the oven, sprinkle some spring onions or chopped chives on top, and you're ready to enjoy it. I promise you, the taste will blow your mind. Hey guys, welcome back. I really hope that you enjoyed today's recipe. As always, if you did, leave it a thumbs up. If you already haven't, subscribe to my channel. Also, I would like to ask you to leave me in the comment box what recipes would you like to see in the future. Would you like to see more pastries, more desserts, whatever you prefer? Let me know so I know in which sense to develop my channel. Thank you again for watching and see you next time.